Yes, sir.
So we are going to celebrate Independence Day, but yes, do we deserve freedom? Do we deserve independence? That's a big question. Okay. And to get freedom, it was not an easy task. Okay. We are going to know about a person whose name is Nelson Mandela. I think you must have heard this name. Nelson Mandela. He was born in which country? Anybody can tell me?
South Africa.
America.
America?
Sorry, South America.
South America.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Sorry, South Africa.
Okay, so this is chapter 2 from First Flight, Nelson Mandela and A Long Walk to Freedom. This is his autobiography. So this excerpt, or you can say this chapter, is taken from his autobiography. And I think you know what does mean by autobiography. Do you know?
खुद के बारे में.
Yes, sir.
When someone writes own life story, when someone writes his or her own life story, that is called autobiography. And if someone else writes about someone else's life, then it is called biography.
Biography.
Okay. So A Long Walk to Freedom. What do you understand from this phrase? A long walk to freedom.
Struggle from the freedom.
Struggle to get the freedom, no?
Struggle to get the freedom.
Yes, exactly. And we know that we don't get freedom in one day. ऐसा possible है क्या? In one day
No,
we get the freedom?
no, sir.
No. And here you will come to know about this famous leader. I would say one of the best leaders in the world. And yes, he was a black. He was a black by race. Okay. So this story is, this is not a imaginary story. This is a real story. Okay. And this person, Nelson Mandela, he fought against something. You know what is that? That is called discrimination. What does mean by discrimination? What does mean by discrimination? जल्दी बताओ, फटाफट बताइए.
Partiality.
Partiality, okay, can be considered. Anything else? Divya, Yash, Rishabh?
भेदभाव.
भेदभाव, ओके. हिंदी में भेदभाव हो गया, कोई बात नहीं. इंग्लिश में?
Not equally treated.
हाँ, ये भी एक सही बात. But I'm surprised that only few answers I'm getting. In SST, you must have read this word discrimination. See, two things are there: justice or injustice, or you can say unjust. Just, unjust. Just मतलब क्या होता है? न्याय. Unjust मतलब अन्याय. We all are human beings, but we are segregated. We are bifurcated. We are discriminated by race, gender, color, and also power. Am I right? ये लाइन समझ में आया कि नहीं, पहले बताओ.
सर वापस बोलो ना एक बार.
Okay. We all are human beings.
Yes, sir.
All over the world, we are all human beings. We have 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई अमेरिका वालों के पास 4 टांग हो या चाइनीज वालों के पास 3 आंखें हो. So we all have the same physical appearance, and we are the most intelligent creature in the world. लेकिन सोचो, most intelligent होने के बाद भी, we are the most intelligent, फिर भी we have created several types of discriminations. Racial discrimination, caste discrimination, color जो वही है racial वाला ही हो गया, power discrimination. Okay, so in India, if we see our history, we will find that we had the discrimination of caste. Do you know the 4 basic categories of our Hindu culture?
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या है बताओ.
Sir,
सबसे ऊपर ब्राह्मण कहा जाता है,
हाँ,
मतलब हालांकि ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. ब्राह्मण, फिर क्षत्रिय,
Mishra.
वैश्य, फिर शुद्र.
Some Mishra also.
है
Sorry, Mishra बोला था.
मिश्रा.
Sir, Mishra also. Yes, sir.
ठीक बेटा, मिश्रा ब्राह्मण में आता है. तो मिश्रा, त्रिवेदी, चतुर्वेदी, ये सब ब्राह्मण में. तो
Okay, sir.
हमारे देश में था कास्ट को लेकर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट साउथ अफ्रीका, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, मोस्ट ऑफ द वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, दे हैड द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑफ रेस. ओके, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. यस. So white people, they made the black people like slave. Okay, do you know what does mean by slave? Anyone?
सर्वेंट, नौकर,
गुलाम. नौकर को तो फिर भी हम लोग
गुलाम, गुलाम, गुलाम.
नौकर को तो हम लोग फिर भी पैसे देते हैं, बट स्लेव को सिर्फ काम कराते थे उन लोग, और उसके बदले में कुछ भी नहीं देते थे. ठीक है. सो दैट वाज द कंडीशन ऑफ द ब्लैक पीपल. सो नेल्सन मैंडेला, ही वाज आल्सो अ ब्लैक, and he understood that white people, they were exploiting the black people. और किसी भी एंगल से ब्लैक पीपल जो है व्हाइट पीपल से कमजोर नहीं थे, बट व्हाइट पीपल दे थॉट कि वी आर सुपीरियर. जैसे इंडिया में ब्राह्मण लोग समझते हैं कि हम लोग बहुत सुपीरियर है, बट इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. ठीक है. तो उस सुपीरियरिटी वाला जो फीलिंग है व्हाइट पीपल लोगों का, उसे ब्रेक करने के लिए, उसे खत्म करने के लिए नेल्सन मैंडेला 27 इयर्स तक जेल में थे. कैन यू इमेजिन? 27 साल अपने लाइफ के, मतलब सबसे ज्यादा टाइम वो जेल में बिताए. और व्हाई? बिकॉज ही प्रोटेस्टेड अगेंस्ट apartheid system. ये जो लिखा है यहाँ पर, end of apartheid system. Apartheid system means a system in which white people are more powerful than black people, and black people are exploited. Black people are exploited by the white people. That is called apartheid system. And black people, they were totally unable to I mean, what you can say, to enjoy any kind of power or any kind of facilities of their own country. Just imagine, black people, उनका ही अपना country है, but उन लोगों का कोई किसी भी तरह के अधिकार नहीं था. ठीक है. So Nelson Mandela, he fought against this, and he was successful in that. Apartheid system, it was abolished, it was ended by him, and this chapter is about that. After abolishing of apartheid system, what he did, we are going to know in this story. And his full name you can see Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. Very tough name it is. Okay. Okay. So see you in the next class.